All right, I want to welcome you guys back to Griffin's Industrial Welding School. It's your favorite welding instructor, Mr. Griffin again. Today we're going to go over TIG and how to run a bead without the filler rod. Okay, this is for beginners and you're just learning how to walk the cup. I'm going to show you the right technique to use before you start adding in the filler rod, how you should hold the gun and how you should, adjust your hand whenever you're welding. So, whenever you're doing TIG welding, you normally want to grip the gun right here in the back, okay? And you're going to do an S motion. Now this is adjustable, so it's personal preference, however you want to adjust it. Okay, so you're going to do an S motion. You're going to maneuver your wrist like an S, just like this. Okay, we're going to start off doing it with no filler rod, just so you can get the motion down. All right, now when you have a foot pedal, all you're simply going to do is first you touch it, you press the pedal, and then you let it go. Okay, that's how you will get the arc that you need. Okay, this is called lift TIG. Okay, all right, so whenever you guys are ready, we're going to go ahead and run one. Watch your eyes. So when you're doing it, you want to walk your cup. You see how tight I'm moving? This is with no filler rod. Right now we're just practicing on walking the cup, keeping it nice and tight and even. Nice and even and tight. See, I'm just doing an S motion with my wrist. Nice and tight. Walking my cup. Nice S motion. You see, I let my wrist do all the work. Nice S motion. Nice S motion. Okay. Today we're showing you how to do TIG welding. Intro to how to add the filler rod in there whenever you're doing the TIG, whenever you're walking the cup. Now when they say filler rod, this rod, the numbers on the rod is ER70S. I don't know if you can tell right here. It says ER70S-2. Okay. The E stands for electrode, the R stands for cut length, the 70 is the tensile strength. This rod can hold up to 70,000 pounds of pressure. S stands for solid rod, and then the 2 is the chemical composition. Okay, now they have different size filler rods. This is a 3/32 rod. We're also going to use a 1/8 filler rod as well. Okay, so we'll start off with the 3/32 filler rod today. All right, whenever you're doing TIG welding, remember we're using the foot pedal. You can adjust this wherever you want it. We're going to cut our gas on right here. Okay. So, you touch it to the metal. Watch your eyes. Touch it to the metal. Press your foot pedal. Let it go. Then you're going to start off just walking the cup. You got to get you a good grip on it. Start off walking the cup. And you're going to ease the filler rod in there. Right at the edge. Ease that filler rod in there right at the edge. Keep it right at the edge so it doesn't stick on you. Keep it under control. Stay right on the edge. And just continue to do your S motion. Right on the edge so it doesn't stick on you. Right at the edge. Okay. And that is how you do it with the filler rod. You'll see how the bead comes out. Okay. Next we're going to do the same thing with a 1/8 filler rod. Okay, 1/8 is a thicker filler rod. It just gives you a little more material to work with. Okay. All right. Whenever you're using the 1/8, same thing. Watch your eyes. You want to touch it. Start off walking your cup. Start off walking your cup. Start off walking your cup. And ease that rod in there. Ease that filler rod in there. Right at the edge. You don't need to put a whole lot in there. Just ease it in there right at the edge. And keep easing it in there as you walk in that cup. You don't need a whole lot. Keep easing that thing in there. Okay. All right, we're gonna run us one more. All right, watch your eyes. Start off with that. And you're gonna start easing your filler rod in there right at the edge. Right at the edge. And ease it in there right at the edge. Ease it on in there. Right at the edge. Ease it on in there. Okay. Alrighty, so that is how you complete the TIG when you're using a 1/8 and a 3/32 filler rod. Alright, remember, here at Griffin's Industrial Welding School, if you have any other questions on how to disassemble welding equipment, no matter if you're using stick, MIG, TIG, flux core, drop a comment below and maybe we can make a video out of your question. And remember, here at Griffin's Industrial Welding School, we're more than just an educational facility. It's a lifestyle.